Maybe you've heard of the tragedy of the commons before, but if not, I want to give you an idea of what it is and also why it may be applicable in some computing settings. The tragedy of the commons is an old game theoretic concept. I want to introduce it through a hypothetical example. Suppose a number of people, say n people, are staying in a hotel in a remote location. The hotel has a single internet connection to the outside world that every guest has to share. The problem is that the capacity of this communication channel is limited. So if everybody sends an email, it might still work well enough. But say if a few people are trying to stream movies online, the connection will be overloaded and break down completely for everybody. So even for those people who are only trying to send a single email. We will model this in the following way. Suppose the quality of the communication channel deteriorates linearly with the amount of traffic we are trying to push through it. So if there's no traffic, the quality of the channel is 1. But as the amount of traffic reaches 1, the quality of the channel becomes 0. And 0 here just means that the channel completely breaks down. So no communication will happen through this channel anymore at that point. So specifically, if the total traffic we are trying to push through is t, and this t is less or equal to 1, then the quality of the channel is 1 minus t. If we try to push more than 1, the quality will just stay at 0. Now, each user of the channel can decide how much traffic she tries to push through. For this, say that the user I chooses a number xi that lies between 0 and 1. But what the user I actually gets is not xi, it's only xi multiplied by the quality of the channel. So if the quality of the channel is 0, the user will get nothing, no matter what xi she chooses. In other words, the benefit, or we also call this the payoff for user I, is xi times 1 minus the sum over all xj, where j just sums up over all the n people in the hotel. And this last term is just the quality of the channel we get when each user j picks their specific xj value. So that's just the total traffic through the link, and then minus 1 minus that amount. Now, each user only cares about maximizing her own benefit, her own payoff. What do you think will happen in this scenario, in this type of game? How will the users behave? What will happen to the quality of the channel? Try to think about this, and I will discuss the solution in the next video.